Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 33. How to use Quora to drive traffic. Introduction. In this video, we will take a look at how to use Quora to drive traffic, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on similarweb.com and here, enter Quora.com in Analyze box. So now you can see its February 2021 overview report. Below we have its country rank and global rank. Then we have engagement of total visits. Below we have traffic by country. So these are all the Quora analytics. Now go to Quora.com and search for the best hosting. And here you can see all the related results. Now open one and here is the article for the query, what's the best hosting for a new untested startup? Here is the full answer article and you can see that the link is inserted in it. Open it, and below you can see its number of views. So this link will take you to the official review page of the product. And this is the full review article of the Bluehost, and here you can see how they have inserted their affiliate link throughout the article. A little below, we have this visit website link embedded, which is also an affiliate link. Click on it to open. Now it will take you to the Bluehost website and you can see we reached here via an affiliate link from this URL. Back on Quora, we can see a total of 609 people have viewed this article and this link as well. Below we have more answers to links inserted in it, like this one. Let's open one link from here and they have redirected us to the official webpage to make a purchase. Back on Quora, this is how people have inserted their links and answers to drive traffic. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 34. How to register on Quora. In that video, we will take a look at how to register on Quora, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.